Welcome to episode 9 of the Imperfectly Perfect podcast, where we embrace laughs and perfection because it's not about being perfect, it's about being you. And of course, mga kaibigan, please do subscribe and follow sa aming mga social media accounts. So, meron kami sa Facebook, Instagram, and Spotify, the Imperfectly Perfect Podcast. And meron din tayo sa, of course, TikTok, Tip Podcast 25. And sa ating YouTube, meron tayong Laom 7668. So, ready na ba, friend? Sa atong episode 9? Gusto ano?
Ready na kayo do. Mag-go ko do.
So, masilimutan guys, tumaon dami ito sa social media account, pero ana siya, pag-gawin kayo siya, nag-concert, sir.
Concert ang nakapoy.
Boy, mga pila na wala ka 2 weeks.
Ang late na siguro. Siguro, nakakagkawag ng latest karamig kaon ba? Great ka.
Shout out na Gul!
Okay, Ron.
Shout out Ron, ang director, nakauban naman sa mga kaon at iba pa. Okay, so without so much ado, magsimula na tayo sa episode 9. And this episode will be different and a little bit special. Malalaman natin kung bakit. So mga kaibigan, let's move on to our guest. Our guest for today's episode is someone who wears many hats with excellence. She is a planner who knows how to turn visions into reality.
Great.
Shout out gapon kay Dagol sa pagbuhat aning amo ang mga descriptions and introduction. A leader who inspires and guides others with purpose. And a true multi-potential. Parang Tony Gonzaga, di ba?
One more time potentialate ang taon.
Sige. Multi-potentialate. Thank you, sir. Who thrives in different fields and embraces every opportunity to grow. Mga kaibigan, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Angelica May 14.
Dito na po tayo.
Shoutout niyo mo. Mga kaigsunan, shoutout yung mga pa.
Balag pag-aw.
Ako ba ito, nalipay ko sa improvement po sa mga audience, no? Kay sa una kay, maningkamot na siya ko encourage siya na ako kay,
Pupak-pak mag-yun sila, attorney.
Nakakaan mo ilang siya
Malagi gani. Kailangan di ay na sukaw daan.
Ayun. So, medyo okay kayo ang mga tiradas o audience participation.
Salamat kayo sa audience participation. Salamat.
Siya yung welcome.
Thank you for inviting me in this Imperfectly Perfect podcast. Nice kayo ang inyong yung title sa podcast. Invite na kita din ni Paano ako sa TV.
wait. Sa una ba showtime? Nandito na ako sa showtime.
Kaya ko sa Perfectly Perfect podcast. Grabe it. Thank you, Sir Zor. Thank you, attorney.
No problem at all. Manak na din sa imo ha. Bangka. Happy birthday, day mo.
Happy birthday! Wala, ni kakaon pa mong good. Dapat kay ka na energetic pag mga kaunon niya.
Wala na dito akong pag-gawin.
Ano siya ko, ganina ba yung kanang medyo chill lagi ko today?
Really? That's your attorney?
Medyo chill lagi ko today, no? Kaya ka na si Ma'am Angel na itong guest. Ano ko kay Alzor nga, banggang yun siya.
Banggang yun siya. Demure ako, Cara, attorney. Demure.
Pasalamat tinubang ha.
Pero parents akong tinulungan.
Nag-concert mag-uli siya, attorney, no, sa Araneta Coliseum. Birthday.
Oo. Nandito. Sir, laman ka. That was your get up next year. So this side is very
concert goer.
Kasi sa ngayon, basta rin sorry kayo.
Ako pag-slouch. Okay, thank you so much kay Ron. So mag-age. Tayo na po ay magsisimula na sa ating mga tanungan.
Okay, attorney.
Question number 1.
Shots, grabe. Wala ka rin ka naman nakakasa ka na. Ikilatis ito. Alam mo yun, di ba yung kuhan pa? Biktima lang po ako, attorney.
Sino?
Sino ang salamat kong biktima?
Sige, Ma'am Age. So, salamat kayo. No, ganahan ko yun. Natural na dito sa pagkabibo. No? Ang gibutang manitagol din kay Miss Angelica Manggiyod. Nagamit yun.
Angel mga good.
Diba?
For short, charot.
So, sige, Ma'am Age. Ano siya? Could you tell us a little about yourself and your journey that led to founding of your company, the A14 Production?
Yan.
Oh, sige.
Grabe, uy, Miss Universe, ano mga kuan din eh. Mga pangutana. Well, I'm Angel. Angel is a very simple lady. Lady na karon, charot. Ano din? Sana naging feeling artista, feeling ko ano, anong mga teenager nga part. I am Angel. I am the founder, the leader of A14 Productions. In this company, this is the events management company. And then, I progress a lot from being a simple lady to having so many things in life. So, di ko kabalon sa pag-describe yun mostly about myself. Kaya nga no, lahi-lahi ang ako ang phases in life. I also have different seasons in my life. So, lahi-lahi po siguro ang pag-describe na ako sa kong self in every season. But now, I am Angel, the leader of A14 Productions, a married...
Yeah!
Kailan na? Kailan na ako married?
Pala ko,
Ano mo? Intern? Married? Soon to be married.
Married?
Sige lang.
Pero na siya guys.
Jesus name. Amot ragid na siya. Giplano gyapon na nako pero si Jesus or si Lord ragid ang nakabalo kanus agi de ete siya ate.
Ang Ginoo nagibala sa tuwa.
Yes.
Salamat tayo.
I'm
Ano ka married?
That's married but kaya na, this is the season of my life na I didn't expect na dugay na yung mahitabo. So, abi maguna ko sa una 25, mag-minyo na ko, na, pero si Lord gidiay siya. So, karon ako ma-describe ako self as a married woman who still has so many responsibilities at hand. And, so ito next question. Ano sa, how did I lead to
Yeah.
A14 Productions?
Yes.
Since before, sa college pa lang yun, grabe kiko ka-active. Ato pa elementary, high school, college. Active kayo sa mga kanitang clubs and organizations. So, ngayon na,
Bida-bida.
lider-lideran, bida-bida. Hantod yatagan ko og isa dayon ka task being the senator of Supreme Student Council way back in college. Na butang ko sa trainings and seminars as a committee chair. Ito rin ako naibaan nga, ginanday ko, magsige og organize, magplan, og events, himog seminars. And then, one time dayon, when we went to a leadership training and then we went to Manila Cathedral, there was this wedding. Unya, in that wedding dayon, naglakaw dayon ang bride. Tapos, oh my goodness, there was zing moment nga gusto gid ko mahimong wedding planner because I really felt the emotions ba, the family waiting for the bride, the groom waiting for the bride. Ko, laganan kay ko mag-organize og ingani, pero I was still a student then. Pero ano ko marag impossible siya kay teacher ang ako ang landing page. Akong landing moment kay nga sa akong course. But then God led me to the right manifestation I did way back in college being a wedding planner kay nag-side trip lang ko aning pagka-wedding planner gyud, but then niabot din siya sa point nga nahimo na gid na ako siyang job,
Gani.
work and company, and then this is really my kanang achieved moments nga nakuha na ko ang dream job.
Diba? Then, kana ba tayong giingon nga kanang murag sideline lang nini mo for
Yes.
passion, yun na, turn out, nga murag na, mauna gid siya karon namin ginabuhat. Daghan pa mga story nga yun, ana.
Yeah.
Like, pares kay, idol yun, si Tony Gonzaga.
Shout out to me.
Siya kay, di ba kay, sa unang good nga, ito siya,
Let's go.
yeah, ga-audition mo gula sila dayon. Singing gid ang ginirada. Then, ang kining hosting is dili gid bitaon ta. Pero,
Yeah.
look at her now, di ba, murag mao na ang iyaha. And then, daghan pag kung mga kaila nga, loves their passion for makeup and all. Nag-graduate sila of 4-year course, but then, kanang, dito sila padulong.
Dapat
Because it is something that you love, right? Yes.
kayo like engineer and then kung love niya Islam sa design jet. So, Ano siya design career. Ano. Pero, mag-age, di ba kay, ka teacher, ka, diyan ganin mong course ganit sa college.
Grabe ka layo, good, no? Early childhood education.
Doon naman kayo.
To becoming a wedding planner, an event planner.
Pero
So, grabe.
how does it, murat, ano sa'yo mong yung kakasay, pag after ni pag-graduate, sorry,
Pag after nyo
Announcer! Announcer mo naman ka. Radyo!
ako yung pero after mo nag-graduate, nag-teach pa ka.
Yes, I did. Kaya nga, no, right after graduation, there is a perks manggod being the president of the SSC. Na pwede ka maka-work diretso. And yes, pero kanang also human ta sa to ang licensure exam gid adto. So nag-teach ko, and then right after that for 5 years. So 2.5 years in grade 1 and then 2.5 years in college.
Okay.
So grabe kit ang shift sa akong life gyud.
Early childhood siya, pero nag-teach ka sa college?
Nag-teach ko sa college for early childhood teachers to be.
Wow.
And then other ka ng mga prof ed, ng mga koan. So yan na, nag-teach ko.
So 5 years, I mean, feel free naman to be a teacher, diba?
Yes.
Kasi yung shift sa mga mind, like, drink ko ito, yung mga gusto. And when listen pa sa pag-transition,
Lisod kayo siya pag-transition if you are in a very traditional world, living in a traditional world, saying dapat kung sa imo ang trabaho mo na gid na kay para na akay pension pag 16 year mo, so dapat secured na kaya na, and I'm already a regular teacher na, so employee na ko tong regular, and then ko, oh my gosh, what will be my life outside this classroom or this job? But I remembered our HR before telling me it's a bigger world out there. So, oh my gosh, saan na ako? Pero yatagan akong deadline akong self. Na dapat, kung mag-transition ko from being a teacher to becoming who I wanted to be, kaya ba na ako panindigan? Dayon kay, it so happened, diba? It so happened lang yun nga kanang, when I had that kind of decision nga mag-stop good adto, I didn't know where to go. So, wala ko kabalugyan. Oh my gosh, pag ani ko mangita og allowance for myself. Ako mangita og job para sa akong kuan. But the Lord is so good that He will really lead you to where you should be. Just prepare yourself. In that moment nga nag-huna-huna pa ko for 3 years, na mahawa ba ko ani nga institution or not, i-pursue ba na ako ang dreams or not, gi-prepare na diito ni Lord sa ako. Kay para pag abot sa time nga mag-decide na yun ko, He will give me opportunities in line to my vision, in line to my dreams. So, pag abot adto, nagsunod-sunod lagi dayon ang projects.
Ako'y pangutan na.
Yeah!
ito ko.
Wala man. Pilang edad mo atong naka-decide ka, finally?
I think I was 25.
Oo, kay, alam mo good, sometimes, sorry again, tingin mga listeners and viewers, guys, listeners, DJ, you're listening to 101.1. Ano siya, kanang, tingin mga audience, pang good na, they felt that they are too old to dream again. Pero na-reminded lampod ko sa giyon ni C.S. Lewis ba that you are not too old to dream a new dream.
Exactly.
So, at least, ang 25 siguro sa ato na time no marag kinda old na, but now it's not, right?
Yeah.
So, encouragement lang po yung affirmation sa mga tao nga ay dream dira. You are never too old to make. You're never, yes, ikaw. You are you're not too old to dream a new dream. So, let's proceed to your next question.
Yes.
Na.
Okay.
So, ang next question is, as both an entrepreneur and content creator. Oh, content creator!
Hello, nag-content creator na ang mga girl.
What fuels your passion for storytelling and event production?
Wow. First of all, I'm a storyteller. By heart, I am a storyteller, and I think my stories and other people's stories navigate me to where I should be also. It gives me an inspiration in A14 Productions, then their story resonates mine, and then I can also impact my story to other people through my skills, through my talents. So, nalimot sa question.
What fuels your passion?
I do it because it's my dream job. Before pa lang yun, before transitioning from being a teacher to this one, yan ko kang Lord sa una nga. I wanted to have a job that I could go around the world because I'm a traveler, being a multi-potentialite. Dagan kay ko gusto in life, di ba? Dagan kay gusto nga buhaton, pero I really wanted to have a job that I can travel the world while I give my services and I can lead as well. So in the E14 Productions, I am leading my team, being the event planner. I'm also educating clients like the couples or even the corporate events or even the other clients na mo nga kanang wala lugar sa social event na siya sa corporate yun. I am trying to be a leader for them, and also I learn how to navigate their events. Tapos dayon kay makalaag-laag ni sa kasama.
Sinahan ko ng love.
Grabe maglaag.
Kapag sinabot sa mga travels.
Yes. Kasi na makaadto ka, I didn't expect na makaadto na ni og somewhere like Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and maybe even leads us to somewhere internationally because that is our vision.
I like
Diba?
that.
Kanang murag ang vision ng mga bubutang gid siya internationally ang A14 Productions until such time siguro nga mahurot na nako ang goals for A14 Productions. That will be the time nga mag-stop na siguro ko. Maybe. Maybe.
Pila na ka-years ang A14 production?
10 years na.
Happy 10 years!
Yes. So 10 years na gid. 1 decade na gid siya, attorney.
And then speaking of wedding, di ba wedding ang pinaka-main supply sa A14 production?
Before.
Before. Karon kay,
Corporate na.
wow.
Yes.
Na-expand ang scope. So, katong gikasal ka, you mentioned that gikasal ka, di ba?
Oh my God.
So, hindi ka nahirapan sa nahirapan ba? sa mag-prepare?
Nahirapan ang husband ko.
Husband.
Ang husband ang nahirapan.
How did you navigate that? Your own wedding. Siyempre, di ba, kaganahan mo kay wedding planning. Pero this is your wedding.
It's so ironic because I have planned so many weddings already for the past 10 years. And somehow, naman po yung mga mishaps ato, pero most of the time, successful gina siya with what they dream of, what they envision in their weddings. In my case, opposite case siya. Dagan kayo mga kuan nga. Bloopers. And I don't have a decoration. I don't have my own stylist, my photographers, nga ako yung team, my videographers. I don't have a wedding planner. Wala ko'y coordinators. It was purely simple and maybe faithful lang gid sa tanan nga plano ni Lord nga gusto lang ni nga makasal lang gid adto. And it humbled me because dili day sa tanan panahon imuha ang mga gusto mahitabo. You have to be humbled by circumstances because the Lord will teach you how to tell yourself that what you need is more important than what you want. So, kung ikaw di ay nga tao, ginavision mo, ingani giti mo hanggang grandiose dapat imuha yan na. He don't have his family back then, katong sa amo ang wedding. It was really imperfect. Pero, it was perfectly designed by the Lord. My event planner or my wedding planner was the Lord. Yun. Siya ang nagplaster sa date, siya ang nagplaster sa mga circumstances, sa mga clients na, or clients, mga guests na mo, sa mga tao, sa time nagyatag or sa date nagyatag. So, I would say it was perfect. Even
Pero sa siya, katong date.
May 20, 2025.
Oh, magulit tayo. Like this. Birthday mo, wedding mo?
Hindi. Actually, mo good attorney.
May 25 kasi May.
May 20 man.
Ay, okay.
May 20, 2025. So, supposedly, my birthday is May 25, 2025.
Yeah, 26 ka.
Ay,
26.
attorney! Diba?
Ako, 25 siya.
Before si Ron, like the different.
Wow, ka-birthday. Dapat na ita magkuhan. Celebrate together. Di ay.
Try po celebration.
Mga Gemini. Di ba? Mga kauri. ka-tribo. Di ba?
Balik ang tribo, Bookfest.
Balik ang tribo.
Shout out to Bukidnon Business Club.
Alam mo. Pero, kato siya, way back sa kuara mo, attorney. My vision was 2025.
Oh.
Pero kadyo kay ko sa date. Yan ko nga, dili gid ko pwede magpakasal ani nga lahi nga date. Kay gusto ko kana ra gid nga date. Whether you like it or not, gayna na ako akong husband, ana. Pero, dili di mo maingnan ang Lord, ana.
So ano sa ang kasal?
Ang kasal is May 2025. And I didn't know it was the first day of the palindrome date.
What is that?
Kanang-
Bali ba?
Even though bali-balihon ni mo ang
Ay,
number,
oo,
balik
oo.
magyapon siya. I didn't know that. Kay gusto na ko, grabe kay ko ka, kuan mo sa significant kay sa ako ang mga dates, dapat ingani. Pero si Lord gidi ay ihanay niya tanan kay first day of palindrome date, and that was the only day nga sunny during that time. Kay katong pag ato na mo sa US, it was raining and it's so cold the week before. After din sa amo ang wedding, nag-rain na po. For the
Naka-mention si Elzor sa New York mo na kayo kasal.
Yeah.
And New York is my dream place. Oh my gosh! This is really a destiny for us.
Ano sa imo? Imo sa road attorney.
Ginawa na rin bahala.
Lagi ato ni pray.
Take ko.
Si manifest na ako.
Abo, kaya gan.
Guys, tabay may ampo para kang attorney.
So sa New York we kasal.
Yes.
So ako next question is, napod may mga guests.
Yes, we did have 25 guests.
So, very intimate wedding.
Grabe ka-intimate good attorneys.
Pero after the ceremony, reception dayon, no?
Reception dayon, it was chosen by my husband. Siya ang nag-choose gid kung hanapit me.
Siya may wedding planner.
Siya ang wedding planner. Siya na-stress.
Okay, ka-relate mangod ko sa imo, di ba,
Oo.
wedding planning ka. Ako, ga-host pag wedding.
Oo.
So, I was hosting weddings since I was 15, 14, ana, or 16. Dayon, kada wedding na ako ma-attend, ginakuha na ko ang best. Nga kung makasal ko, kay kuhaan ko di siya nga part, siya na di siya nga part. Ana nga part, kinino ba dayon? So,
Yeah.
pero makarelate ko sa mga humility ba, to acknowledge that God is sovereign, na yun ay ang atong plan ang matuman, but the bigger plan of God.
Yes.
Amazing, God.
Wala din ko yung host.
Guys, wedding na din.
Wedding planning namin. Wala may host ato attorney. I didn't have a host. I didn't have a DJ. I was the one doing everything. So, let us all welcome us.
Diyan ko sa imo.
Kami
Yung
na
parang, bigyan ka di mo ang multi.
Yes.
Multi-potential late. Hatag na sila o pila. 20 minutes lang eh. So, balik na sa A14 Productions.
Okay.
Speaking of weddings and events, what makes A14 Productions unique in the events industry here in Bukidnon?
We constantly evolve and innovate on the things that we have to do and adopt on the changes. I had these phases for A14 Productions that before I just wanted to become a wedding planner. But then, ang pinakauna gid sa A14 Productions, guys, was necrological services, meaning kanang program before ilubong ang kuan. And nag-host ko adto, na. So, that was first. Pero, nag-wedding dayon, birthdays, other celebrations. But then, I envisioned A14 to have corporate events, which we are having right now. Nga nanami sa mga corporate events. But we are also envisioning further na makahold na og big concerts, conferences. And we did! Sa Bookfest, gihapon to siya. It was the first shining moment. Yun nga, we were given that task. Grabe.
Shout out Bookfest.
Bookfest, thank you.
Amazing kayo, no? So, I believe na pa yung mga challenges, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero moving forward, how do you envision, like, the corporate naman mo ron, at the same time, sila na may concert, most likely, this is the start.
Katong read list, di ba?
Yes, Ridley's. Hi, Ridley.
Shout out read list. Okay.
Pero
Nakita na.
moving forward, how do you see A14?
A14 Productions in the nearest future. Nearest good game because
Very nearest.
nearest na good. Kanang it will go international.
I like that.
We will be servicing not just our hometown, not just nationwide, but international na gid ang face. We wanted to go somewhere that we can challenge ourselves and also they can feel how we do our services for A14 Productions.
I like that. I like that you are dreaming big for the A14 Productions. Kaya ganan ko good maka I want to affirm that. And I am rooting for you.
Thank you.
Kay although lahat feel like sa events, ako dali sa lawyering, siya sa tech, kanang siya na kayo makakita tech, di ba? Siya na kayo makakita ang mga tao bitaw nga they are so passionate and love what they do. Makatakod magud siya. It's contagious. And then siya na mo kay talag sa malambot karon kay mga pera-pera mo gud kasagara ng mga tao. Pero once ka makakita kag fire sa mata and that person really loves what she does, it's very encouraging. So moving forward, dapat ba ka na friend or
Hindi,
napa?
wala lang. Side note lang. Kasi chika mo siya. So, nakakabalo na mag-chika-chika mo makita mo yung passion. Graduated passion yun.
Oh, thank you.
So, akong next pa ko is, can you share one event or project that really touched your heart and reminded you why you do what you do?
Every event is very touching and it humbles us to do what we do. Because they have different stories. Every client, every couple have different stories yun. Nga, miski pa, og sige migbalik-balik sa wedding industry nga, muna siya ang sa preparation, muna siya sa ceremony, muna siya sa reception, pero they've got different stories. So other couples have 10 years, aya pa dayon sila. Other couples, 1 month lang, gusto na sila magpakasal. Kanang, ingana ba?
So, different.
Ay, wala pa na ito, attorney. O, di ba, ingana siya, lahi.
Sana wag di lang ang health ka.
Yeah. Angel. Ang dila. Pero kanang, because of these unique stories.
Pero disclaimer, I'm content in the Lord.
Di ko sure.
Lagi mo nagkala ka, enjoy my life. Kung saan mo nasa ko, dapat na.
Ano session? Unique mga na stories then. And even in the corporate world, they wanted to have launching in their product. And because of that product, they were able to celebrate this kind of launching. So, ma-inspire na sa dayon mi utrong halaka. Dapat siya dahon gani na to. Okay, first time ra ba ni aning a company nga mag-launch og another product because of their hard work. And it draws inspiration to us. Their stories draw inspiration to us. So every event is unique and every event drives us to go further in A14 Productions.
And you said you are a leader. So you have employees, right? That you lead. So this is the next question. What role has community support or perhaps even criticism played in your growth as an entrepreneur and a leader also?
More on the criticism than of community growth. Because first of all, wala gyud kaayo nag-support ani ako ang vision gyud because dili ni siya regular work. Wala ni siya pension, wala ni siya ingana gyud. Even my family was hesitant at first because they only wanted what's best for me. And they see that I could be flourishing in the academic world.
Because you already are. You should work.
I don't know. Basin.
Pero masabtan ko, they have good intentions. Masabtan
They
na.
really have good intentions.
Pero sa mga tao nga dili ka level sa to passion, di sa kasabot. Like, why?
Ano lang ba, for regarding intentions, not all good intentions are backed.
Yes.
Kaya di mo ba masabtan sa mga nga podcast ko?
Oo, di ba? Imagine
like-
being an attorney or in tech, tapos they kaya magnamoy podcast or criticism.
And then sa hosting ko, like, it's something that I want to do. So,
Yeah.
kasabot ko sa imo ha. So, moving on sa tong criticism.
The criticism honed us, most likely me, to become better because it's something that you have to improve for yourself and to prove to other people that it can happen.
Yeah.
And then, sa lider-lideran nga part, I really wanted to become the steadfast learner and leader manggod nga. May tabo gini siya. If you just have to manifest it, if you have to work hard on it, may tabo gina siya. And then it's so amazing lang yun. It's a blessing that in this generation, we can do all things already. We were not trapped in the previous generation. Lugardayan nga, their resources or their opportunities are limited. This time, we are limitless.
Yeah.
Pero naapod tayo mga limitations in terms of criticisms. If we have to take it positively or negatively. But ang ganahan lang nako kay katong mga criticisms before, negative gid siya. Kung hilak sa una og uban pa, og kana po dayo mga uban nga, no, dili ni mainga ani, something. Pero because of those criticisms, it grew up to my strength nga ay kaya din ni siya ay okay na hatod ka na yan kay breakfast lunch dinner na lang gid ng mga bashing okay
Wow.
na
Absent siya. Like,
yes
kami man po, ni bahala mo.
oo
Wala man, alam ito, wala man miga pang kilabot sa inyo, ha? Anong karapatan niyo mga...
mo ay laway Saturday
Wala man miga pang hilabot sa inyo, miga pang hilabot mo sa amin.
maldita na and then I think it's really normal
Ano ba tayo, masay dahil natama ko, gusto mo dira, whatever you want,
Yeah, ganun.
mag-rant mo, mag-pictorial mo. Galaw mo mo kakanta. Wala na alam, pero ayaw pag may hilabti.
oh ganyan dita support lang yun ka din di ba oo that's it grabe git nice kayo
Madami is nung na-mention ba last episode, di ba naka-mention ka ito nga, you're so thankful for the first believers.
I
Sometimes
did
kahit ka na believer ka, imuhang self.
kaayo
Oo.
actually
Okay, mo kayo nga. Saan pagtusin mo? I mean, side note lang, take it from me.
Yeah.
Kaya lately lang ko like, ni skilled into the deep and walk on water. And
Yeah.
kaya take stress sa ako, di ba? Though, kung ako lang may skills and talents mo, okay, millionaire na ako ron.
Yeah.
Napagapong ka sa sitwasyon ni Hannah and then lately lang dayan. But you really have to believe in yourself.
gani
Isang pa kung sa stress ako, like,
True.
kay kuan gid siya actually normal na gid siya karon that no one will believe in you but yourself and the first one who should you believe in is yourself yun dapat maningkamot ka nga kaya ni nimo hantod sa makitaan sa uban nga ay kaya gid ay
there is also power, for example, kita lang ng video ni Simon Sinek.
yeah
It will only take us one person who will believe in you and what is in you, and it can change a lifetime bit niya. You also be fueled up back. Okay,
Yeah.
kay someone yun nagtusa ko who believe me and believes in me,
Yeah.
and that's what matters most.
tinuod yun na
Marathon ng gabi.
Mga kaigsunan.
salamat mo na dito siya tanan
But then, friend,
Okay.
Inom na ko.
Pero naman po siya.
Yun.
Ako lang na lang. In a world that's very fast-paced and competitive, how do you keep grounded and aligned with God's purpose for you? In the first place, what do you think is God's purpose for you?
I think God's purpose for me is to really give service to other people. So kad pa sa una nakaingon gid ko nga I have this mission of servicing other people again because I am just an instrument of the Lord in His talents and skills that has given me. Gihimo na siya kaya na ay purpose ana para magamit na para sa ubang tao so you can also impact other people.
So how do you keep grounded with God's purpose for you?
My failures.
Oh. Apir sa tabi?
face bang.
Okay, punta.
Ay, face bump dahil. Face bump ta tulo. Face bump ta.
Power Ranger.
One is three. No, one is five. Sorry. Three na to. So, bonus three.
Sige, Robin din him.
I mean, that's
Yeah.
very imperfect, but it's very genuine.
Gani. Kay ang failures gyud mao gyud na ang makahon gyud sa imuha ug makaingon gyud pud sa imuha nga. Oy, you're not that perfect pa yun. Dili pa ka pwede nga maghinambog or dili pa mo dako dapat ay imong ulo saying I can do this or ano because there are so many things you cannot do and you have to be humbled also by those failures. And in those failures, it's up to you how to make that one enhanced.
It's
Na-
nice of us, like, if you can share naman mo.
Oo.
Like, more specific failure na mo ginewa kang makagin ka. Okay, after ka nakaling ka kasi na may ato ka din ka. I am so stronger now. I'm
a different person.
Yeah. Ang mga different business ventures po na mo.
like from one to another.
Yes. Nga, kanindi ay siya kay kana, okay, dapat pa ni siya tunan o maayo, dili ni siya pwede sa ato ang business. So, yan na. Pero, there was this one time nga gipapili dayon ko, is it A14 or kini siya? And it's a family member nga nagpapili po sa ako because pangapa ni siya because I am, dapat important kay kung ani nga person yun. Sa kini siya nga business. But I have to go back to where I wanted to grow, which is A14 Productions. Muna, gipili ko si A14 Productions. O niya, nabiyaan to siya and it humbled me. I said sorry, sabayani. So, tanan yun. There are learning experiences in those business ventures pero naapayapag ko sa A14 Productions.
How do you get angry and skill pa daw nakita? Hindi ko ako mga nandiyan sa mga galagot ka.
Gusto ni mo?
Wait lang.
Familiar. Sige.
Familiar. Kuan siya. I think because of my seminars and trainings bitaw sa una sa leadership as a student gyud Sir Zor, ang nahitabo gina siya nga whenever there are events or you're in the middle of an activity tapos na nahitabo dayon and then you wanted to reprimand that employee or that teammate, dili sa pwede. Himuan sa nimo siya og solution first and then you go talk to that person right after the event.
I can
Para
relate.
makita nimo nga kuan nga kanang dili pa bitaw siya nga mabali ng attention nga
Hindi ko nga makapahimutang.
yes, and I cry a lot. Charot lang.
Once again.
Exact. Dano ba kay tao gini na storya hindi mo like blagot yung kay kasi yan on his or her face, di ba? Because I can't imagine mga bibong bata, pero siya film, di ba?
More check na pagka-sans.
Yeah. Kuan, siguro na-confront lang na ako in the most professional way. I don't know kung naaman lang, nakalimot ko, yun sa nako pagkalagot sa imo ha, pero daghan kong kakalagutan yun. It's either, for example, in A14 Productions, it's either I take you and give you a chance, but in that chance, you have taken it away and I won't hire you anymore. So, I just give one chance. Or, 2 chances. After 2 chances, wala na. Dili na ko. Dili na ta ka pwede ko. But if it happens na magkatrabaho ta again, I'll be very professional for the sake of our client. Pero, na kay ka ng kuhan sa ako, na kay lamat sa ako ang heart, di nakakabutang sa ako ang pangkapi-kapi version, wala na ka sa level of my friendship, na sa level sa ako ang professional level na lang yun. Dili ta pwede mag-friends because we can't jive together.
I can observe no nga, daghan kag time karon sa A14 Productions.
Yeah.
And then, witness po na ako that you serve in the community through the book fest, right? And, pila naman ka years sa imuhang boyfriend before ka gikasal?
6 years. 6, 7. LDR, like long distance, good na.
Kapila rin mo kakita sa isa ka year?
Wala.
Okay.
Wala yun. Like, nanguyab siya, unya dayon, kay katong nakauli siya, gisugot na ko siya, ana nga day, pagkaugma, niyatro po siya, lakano pa na yun siya. So,
Mao niya akong pangutan na. Daog na gid ni siya. Giyon sa mo pag-balance ang imong pagiging leader sa A14, sa imong pagiging girlfriend then and now wife. And lastly, sa imong pagka-community person.
Wait lang, before natin meme. How do you balance? Ikaw ba na video?
Wala, ito din.
No, I don't balance.
exactly ko na ko answer. Oh my gosh!
I just stressed out.
Yes!
I just stressed out every day.
Stressed out?
Stressed.
Stressed out.
Stress! Hala, muna ako answer. Oh my goodness.
I like that.
Tinood good.
Okay.
I don't know how to balance my life because even though na ako'y timetable or time management for other people, but myself, kaya mo saan ako pag-balance? I think one stress at a time. But I welcome all the stress factors.
Welcome.
Ito,
But it comes with the, tama ka price.
Yes, pero karon nag-learn na po dayon ko na attorney na dapat gidi ay if you have this kind of energy or talent, you can exchange to something or even the service. Sometimes it comes with a price. Kay, it's not all the time nga free lang yun. How will you be able to give to your family or to your cause kung wala pud ka?
Yeah.
So, how can you give if you're empty? So, sometimes, if there are projects, if the price is right, why not?
I like that. You know, Mampod, you cannot give what you don't have.
Yes.
At kailangan nating mabuhay, of course.
Sa bills at sa tax, ano?
Diba?
Speaking of,
We don't discuss politics
yes,
here.
yes, yes.
Diba, ang A14, Bukidnon based, gina siya.
yes, Malay
Malaybalay City, guys, ang A14. So, how do you envision A14 Productions helping elevate Bukidnon's creative and cultural scene?
By trying to see each potential of the people we bump into every time. Kay, I think we've been doing that one for quite a time already. For 10 years, we've seen potentials on these people. Ay, pwede ka mag-photographer. Ay, pwede ka magpika-pika sa amo. Ay, wala pa ni ing-ani nga service in A14 Production. So, why not you come to us and then maybe narrow down your ideas and then I can talk to you nga unsay kay tabo sa events industry nga pwede nato siya ma-improve or something. And then, with those kinds of communication, it led them to their businesses. So, I guess A14 Productions, aside from being internationally be capable of doing services, maybe A14 Productions can be an avenue of having greater things or greater opportunities for other people too. So we wanted to see more other talents to have more opportunities for them.
So, parang ano lang, no?
Recruitment
Science?
agency.
Science lang parang,
Potential na music na client.
Wow, kana. If the price is right.
That's the term type.
from potential energy to kinetic energy.
Oh, yes.
Kinetic ba to sa science?
Yeah, ka na
From, wala lang, memba.
Okay. Wala maiba.
Dayon, kuan ba? Kanang, nako'y nailhan nga gapamay po sa yung podcast, si Angeli Dub.
I love her! Oh my gosh, I love her, attorney! Yeah.
I love her because she travels alone.
Yeah! Oh my
Ganahan
God.
ko, kay possible mo di ay. Like, when I travel,
Yeah.
feeling na ako kay kaatiman ako hotel.
Uh-huh.
Kaya dari, feeling niya ka Power Ranger, manggit ko yun.
Oo,
You know?
galing.
That I can do everything for them.
Next time mo,
When I travel, I want to be alone. I mean, katong sa una.
Alone but never lonely.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kaya ma-enjoy na akong life to explore and discover. Then, nagkaroon kong affirmation from her ba that it's okay to travel alone. Naghanag ka siya more than 100 countries na yung na-travel. And I heard nga, nag-start siyang business is murag teen pa siya, 18, 19, or 20.
Ayan na.
Oo.
15.
Oo, something like that. And then, karon, you said nga, 25 man pud ka nag-start. Ang akong pauta na same way, sa mga tao, mga, lagan man karon mga Gen Z, nga they want to start their business as early as teen pa sila.
Oh.
As early as that. What is your advice to those young people na gusto mag-start sa ilahan?
Lahat mo siya kay Joy Spring.
I love Joy Spring. Oh my
Ganaan kasi DJ lang siya.
God.
I like her voice. At welcome to, ano tiyang spiel like, welcome to Adulting with Joy Spring.
Di ba?
Nagkata siya.
Ayan kita mga
Ang
inspiration.
sawa ka, ini ang tulong mo.
Sige,
Pagbag
ikaw.
ka.
Ano sa kayo advice sa mga Gen Z? Gusto mo start sila,
okay.
young people in general. They want to start their
Siguro,
business.
as Gen Z siguro, and then the millennials.
Millennials also.
And then
Kadun
sa
sa-
mga late, ano na po.
For those who wanted to push on their dreams in any form of advancement and kung unsa man ang imong edad karon kung maka generation gid pud sad karon, maybe try to assess first what you can give. And then, try to assess your talents because those are gifts. Your talents, your potentials, those are gifts that you can hold because gihatagan kag ing ana kay na ay mission nga para sa uban nga tao. And if you think that mission can give an impact for other people, then go for it. And if you think also that it will make you grow as a person, personally and professionally, why not? But if you were just stranded, or if you were just in that position because you were challenged by people, unya dayan kay naalang kay nakitaan nga kapihon nimo kay nga naman kultura sa Pilipino, ako say makita nito kung barbecue diri, barbecue pug ka, yan na. It's okay. Pero those are inspirations only. But try to assess first what you can do for other people, because mind you, if you try to put in your efforts and all of yourself in that business or in that kind of creativity, you will be stumbling down multiple times.
True to life story.
Yeah. Unya, dili, dapat ready ka nga mag-fail and then learn again and then fail and learn again. Dili pwedeng ako i-push through na nimo at the middle of it, mo dayon ka, mo give up dayon ka. Before you start in it, try to develop it in yourself first. Kay muna ako ang kanang wrong moments adto sa una nga. Wala na akong i-develop daan ang ako ang business side o nga ako da yung pagka-event planner side. Ay, ako karon nga nag-eskwela sa mga ganito, ganyan. Nga daghan na kinakahitabo nga mistakes before. So before you commit those mistakes, try to assess first what you can do. Try to avenue yourself and channel yourself to ahagid ang imuhang strength, and then grow from it. Learn something from it, and then eventually make use of it for other people.
Tinungod gyud kiningon po tong isa ka quote nga success is not a straight line.
Yes.
So, ano siya up, down, up, down.
And mostly down.
And sometimes sa mga tao kay gusto lang sila dito sa up.
Up.
They just want, because they just see the glory.
Oo.
Not the glory.
Gusto lang sa
Yes.
spotlight, pero kung kabalo lang sila kung saan paghihirap para maabot ka dara nga spotlight, dili sila, they're not willing to do the work.
And it takes time, like months, years.
Yeah.
Para maka-feel nimo nga, okay, may success na ka sila.
Nice, step by the step, yeah.
Success. Success. So, last question.
Wow!
Oh
Last
my gosh! Ang bilis!
Last na?
Ang bilis natin for today!
Dili mo ako gusto.
Ano siya? If you could leave one lasting impact on the community through your work, what would it be?
Oh my gosh. Di ko kabalo. I don't have a definite answer on that this time yet, but I would like to be having this impact wherein we have touched lives
Like,
in the ways that we could and we should and we have to. We have touched their lives and we have been part of their milestones. Through A14 Productions, we were able to elevate their moments of success, like marriage, celebrations, and then in times of bonding sa mga families nga dugay na wala nagkita pero nagpa-manage sila sa event nga mag-bonding sila through a surprise birthday. We were there, helping them, touching their lives, educating them. And from that moment of their yes, their trust, and the happiness they felt during the time na nahuman gid ang event, that was one glorifying thing for us gid na nahitabo ang event because we were there imparting something for them. So I think kana siya. And then we were very resilient in these things, gid, no matter the challenges are.
Na-appreciate po ta ka kay si San's friend ba tong friend. Although she's a missionary by heart, when she's in Bukidnon, she also does paras mo kanang event, and makitaan po na akong heart, like tsada kayo ma-remind nga still ga-exist pa ang mga tao para sa imuha, nga makitaan po ang spark, ang joy sa eyes, and naman mo excitement to do. Kay, as I observe, nahiram ko ng karon kay marag dragging na gid ang lahat-lahat. But it's so nice to find people who has the passion and the fire to do what they love. Right? Yes, Freddy, kay, unless pa kay questions, follow-up, no, insights.
I think, thank you for sharing your life.
Aww.
I think there are few people, Maglin nga, you're one of the few person I know na we just click ng friendship ba? Yeah. Di ba?
Okay, mauna akong ginayang na bago nga BFF sales.
Dili na si attorney. Nadugangan na si attorney.
Bago. Nakutanan si director, si The Ghouls. Ron, para kay Elzer, Sound the Ghoul. Siya nga, ate, kisa ang next na to na guessing ko si Ma'am Age. Katugod sa A14 Productions. Aray ko nga, bago na siya nga best friend.
Nadugangan, best friend. Di nga katagag siya po ni attorney.
So, yun ako siya.
Yaman nababato ka. Ako gabuhat og PowerPoint si mga Nag-director ka tong puniti na mga si Dula by Andres Bonifacio. Scriptwriter. Siya ang director.
Diba? Nag-click yun.
Pero going back, so, we thank you for saying yes kay the past months and for the upcoming months. Kaya grabe ko ng pabisik.
Yeah.
But you give us the time para may ko sa world.
Ooh, and
By the way, yung mga ko dapat gabilang mo karon.
Anything you want to
Invite
plug
everyone.
and shout out.
yeah. Kadang ko disclaimer, dili ko content creator. Kuan lang yun ko, tabian,
I want-
storyteller.
Sorry for cutting you. One day, na lang siguro ang question, why did you decide to have Angel Stories o diba?
Angel Life Story.
Angel Life Stories.
Angel
Yes.
Life Stories, na mo yung Facebook.
Yes.
Pero sa kabisi mo and you have this time, it's a reason nga na nagbuhat ka na.
Because, yatagan akong DJI sa ako husband. Yatagan ko niya ka ng device ka. Pwede na ako maka-video-video. Yan na. Sa ako ang mga live. Kaya nga, di mo ganahan og dako nga camera. Kaya gana ka isulod sa ako ang bag. Dapat gamay ra gyud. So, thank God, niabot na ang time from 2018 nga ako ang mga vlogs sa mga vlogs. Bakit ba sa documents dito sa una sa akong life. Karon kinanagi device nga gi-design from the brilliant people nga naanay gamay kaayo nga device nga pwede na ka mag-go around. Shout out DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Baka naman may mga ambassador. So, pero kana siya. I wanted to push through on that because many people, including my husband and my family members and my friends, nga dili naman ga edit, ga video, o nya din kay ga document sa imong life. Tapulan gyud kay ko. Nagdagan kay ko mga gahimuon sa life. Kailangan lang gyud nga naapoy another avenue. And then, I think this is the best time lang sa DI nga to share it more to other people. Na natay social media, nga mga kuan, na natay social media, na natay mga other platforms, nga pwede na ko siya makipsake sa ako ang tanan nga buhaton in life because I am a multi-potentialite person. I do so many things. Gusto na ko nga, pag abot na kong 60, 80, 100, charat. Kaya kumabot ako sa ingana nga age, I have something to look back sa akong mga stories and to share to my children in the future.
Muna ko talaga sa offer na karon video na lali ka.
Tingala gani ko. Naka-story guys, so sa una, di na mo social. So, friend, picture the friend, yung mga tingin na ni. Tigi siya masugot. And na-i-post ka mga adlaw ha, mga next month pa. Karon ba to? Sige na siya time-lapse.
Diba?
Sige na siya time-lapse. Sige na siya, picture selfie. Sa mga alam, barbecue dito sa barbecue station. Kaya karon na dito ni Dagul. Siya, mas kakabahan na may karoon. Nangakamig barbecue. Mga lang taog makdo kay Sunday. Naka-order na may BFF fries. Backfloat. Ako din nga gadayet. Kinaunsa naman eh.
Siguro ka. Nga naman.
Muna yung may reason.
Yeah.
Tama ang good. You have to document ba?
Yes. You don't know what's gonna happen.
True. Ay, muna.
Last one ni attorney.
Yes, go.
Kada day siya. Kay tungod po na tubitang last time. Katong sa Bohol nga nahitabo. Nasi ko video ato nga mga churches. Unya, dagan kay, one time dayan, naglinog sa Bohol. Nawala na. So, murag dikit ka kabalon si may tabo gid sa life. As much as you could, document it and then share it to people. positively. Ano lang.
Yes, na i-piggyback lang, but I'm back to piggyback. No, na ano lang dyan ko, na may isipid ko sa atong happenings pero karon that we know that life is too short. The reason to do it now is we're not guaranteed tomorrow.
Yes, exactly.
I'm not, you are not. So,
We
it's
are
better to do the thing that you want to do now.
Yes.
Lastly, Ma'am Ange, pa-shoutout daw kung kasi gusto nga i-shoutout.
Shucks! Shout out! Tarata. Shout out to my husband. Pangga Cyril! Nala ko sa TV. Podcast. My mom and dad, Papang Dear, Mamang Dear, my brothers, Ark and Vince, and then, kung pwede po dayon, kung gusto mo magsubaybay sa life, nga chaotic life, but happy life of Angel, then there is Angel Life Stories, where L is bigger, because Angel wanted to connect to the different life stories of the world. So, Nami page, Angel Life Stories, and then, if you wanted to have your events pod, A14 Productions, A14 Productions. You know,
Thank you so much! Okay, mga kaibigan, narinig natin ang kanyang story and we're so grateful to have Ma'am Angel,
Yeah.
A14 Productions, with us tonight. And sa gingon na ko permente, there is a beginning, there is an end.
Yes.
So, i-end na natin. Thank you for staying with us. And we are so excited to share this with you. And again, mga kaibigan, it's time to say goodbye for now and see you on the next episode of The Perfectly Perfect Podcast. Bye!